Bungoma County, where our reporter Mike Kagwongo is monitoring the Kabuchai parliamentary by-election for us. Mike, a while ago, at least on the numbers, we saw the Ford Kenya candidate take an early lead. Is he still leading?
It's a good evening from Kabuchai constituency in Bungoma County. Abubakar Abdullahi can get you well from Bungoma County. And as earlier on I had informed you is that in Kabuchai constituency, actually, we got more than 57,000 voters that had turned out to exercise their democratic right to make sure that they do vote in their favorite candidate following the demise of former Kabuchai MP, who is Mukwe Lusweti James, who died after a long illness. And just to let you know is that in Kabuchai constituency, there were a total of 8 candidates, including for the Kenya candidate, who was Majimbo Kalasinga, who was actually been backed up by for the Kenya party leader Moses Wetangula. We also have Evans Kakai, who is United Democratic Alliance party candidate, was being backed by the Tanga crew. And just to let you know, Abubakar Abdullahi, is that today we did experience some ups and downs from security forces that actually made sure that security was manned enough to proceed with the election. This is following the arresting of almost 4 members of parliament, including Kimilili member of parliament Davis, Kimilili member of parliament who is Didmas Baraza, Samson Cheragay, who is an MP, who is a senator in Nandi constituency. It also included Nelson Koech, an MP in Belgut in Kericho County. There was also Wilson Kogo, an MP in Chesumei, which is in Nandi County. Abubakar Abdullahi, as at now, IEBC is receiving votes from different parts of 123 polling stations in Kabuchai constituency. And as my camera person can pan over and show you what is happening here, it is that IEBC is continuing receiving every vote from different polling stations to make sure that they do tally and make sure that they include them together. And as at now, Abubakar Abdullahi is that Majimbo Kalasinga of Ford Kenya is leading with 973 votes, and followed by Kakai Evans, who has 794 votes. There is also Gaspar Wafubwa, who is actually having 68 votes, and Peter Kapanga has 44 votes. Abubakar Abdullahi, just to let you know, is that Majimbo Kalasinga's 973 votes include 51% of the votes casted as at now. Kakai, 794 votes, represent 42% of the total votes counted so far. We'll be bringing you up to date on what is happening here in Mabanga Agricultural Training Center to make sure that you are up to date and knowing on what is happening each and every time. Abubakar Abdullahi.
Thank you, Mike Kagwongo. Mike Kagwongo is following up on the Kabuchai parliamentary by-election. Of course, the constituency has a little over 57,000 registered voters, who again, the expectations are that they have cast their ballot today. 4 wards is what comprises rather of Kabuchai as a constituency. Of course, the lead there as of now is Ford Kenya's the aspirant, who has close to 1,000. Of course, too early as well to call or decide in as far as that lead is concerned. You're watching the county's television. Time for us to take a short break. We still have a lot lined up for you.